Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Classic Rides. In this video, I will show you the information about Ford F-150 truck. Here are some information about it. The Ford F-150 is one of the most popular pickup truck in the United States and has been a bestseller for decades. Here's some information about it. First of all, his history. The Ford F-Series truck have been in production since 1948 with the F-150 first introduced in 1975 as a variant of the F-Series lineup. Over the year, the F-150 has become Ford's flagship truck model known for its durability, versatility and wide range of configurations. For his design, the Ford F-150 features a rugged and muscular exterior design characterized by its bold grille, prominent wheel arch, and strong lines. The truck is available in various body styles including regular cab, extended cab, and crew cab with different bed length to suit different needs. His performance, the F-150 offers a range of powerful engines to cater to different requirements, from everyday commuting to heavy-duty towing and hauling. Engine options typically include V6 and V8 gasoline engines, as well as turbocharged EcoBoost engines for improved fuel efficiency and towing capability. In recent years, Ford has also introduced hybrid powertrains for enhanced fuel economy. His capabilities, the Ford F-150 is renowned for its impressive towing and payload capacity, making it a powerful choice for both work and recreation. Ford continuously innovates to improve the truck's capabilities, incorporating features such as trailer view control, integrated trailer brake controller, and Pro Trailer Backup Assist to make towing easier and safer. His technology modern F-150 truck come equipped with a range of advanced technology features to enhance comfort, convenience and safety. This may include Ford Sync SYNC infotainment system with a touch screen display, smartphone integration and advanced driver assistance system like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control and connective options such as Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Aluminium construction. Ford made a significant change in 2015 with the introduction of an aluminum alloy body for the F-150, which helped reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency without compromising strength or durability. This shift was a groundbreaking move in the pickup truck segment and has since been adopted by other manufacturers. His trim level and option. The F-150 is available in a wide range of trim levels from basic work truck to luxurious model with upscale feature and amenities. Additionally, Ford offers various optional package and customization options to allow customers. Here are some information about it.